This is the only serum you need in your skincare routine.
Welcome to the space.
Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Judith, your favorite skincare BFF. Today, I'm going to be reviewing this Tiam Vitamin C 24 Surprise Serum. I know you guys have already waited for long. So if you have any plans of buying the serum or you're looking for the best vitamin C serum for skin brightening, then make sure to stay, like this video, and also subscribe, because I'm going to be sharing my honest experience with this vitamin C serum, and I'll equally be showing you how to use it for best results. So if you're ready to take your skincare game to the next level, let's dive right into it. So the name of the product I'll be reviewing for you guys in today's video is called Tiam Vitamin C 24 Surprise Serum, and this is the serum right here. This is a 30 ml serum, and it comes in this ash pack with a touch of orange color. The packaging is simple and cute. This particular serum is made in Korea by Fireworks Co Limited. Now, once you open up the pack, meanwhile, the pack actually has a seal that states "make me shine." Okay, I've already torn mine, so I can't really show you guys, but I'm going to see if I can get a picture of that and insert it for you guys on the screen. It has a seal, so if the seal is torn, do not buy, okay? Or if you do not see the seal, do not buy it. So once you take out the pack, you will have this cute brown bottle with a white pipette cover. Now let's open up the serum and see what the vitamin C serum inside looks like. So if you open this pipette cover, this is what the serum inside looks like. It has a golden yellow color. It has an oily texture that feels semi-lightweight, and it does glide smoothly into the skin. Like, it's going to leave your skin feeling so smooth, supple, immediately you apply it to your skin. It doesn't feel overly greasy like an oil would. Meanwhile, the yellow hue or color that you guys see is a natural indicator of the high concentration of vitamin C serum. That takes us to the important part, which is the ingredient list. I know a lot of you are already dying to know what ingredient is in this serum. According to the ingredient list, it states that this particular Tiam Vitamin C 24 Surprise Serum contains ingredients like propanediol, ascorbic acid 22%, ethyl ascorbyl ethyl 2%, glycerin, and the rest. In other words, this is a well-formulated vitamin C serum. The propanediol, being the first ingredient, acts as a solvent that makes the other ingredients in this particular serum to be stable. In other words, having ascorbic acid as the second ingredient, which is a potent form of vitamin C, is going to help brighten up your skin, reduce signs of aging on your skin, and also help in collagen production. And what do you stand to benefit when using the Tiam Vitamin C serum? So according to what's written on the pack here, it states that this Tiam Vitamin C 24 Surprise Serum is going to help to reduce uneven skin tone and dullness. Beside here, it also says that a vitamin C serum that visibly evens out skin tone and improves complexion for the look of glowing and bright skin. So these are all the things you stand to benefit when using this particular serum. It promises to help reduce uneven skin tone and make your dull looking skin a lot brighter, and also improve your complexion and make it glowing and brighter. So these are all the promises of this particular serum. Now, with all of that out of the way, I'm going to be sharing my own personal experience with you guys. Guys, I've been using this particular Tiam Vitamin C serum for more than 2 months now. Yes, I actually started using this around December period. Take it from me, I bought this particular serum around the time I was struggling with a whole lot of hyperpigmentation, dark spots, uneven skin tone. Like, my face was so darker than my body before I got this Tiam Vitamin C serum. I went to the mall that day and there were so many options of vitamin C serums on the counter. But what stood out for me regarding this particular vitamin C serum was the ingredient list. I love the fact that this particular Tiam Vitamin C 24 Surprise Serum contains ascorbic acid, which is a potent form of vitamin C serum. And it's not one of those vitamin C serums that has vitamin C or ascorbic acid as the last ingredient or last two ingredients on the list. It actually contains ascorbic acid in a high concentration, making it the second ingredient on the list. So in other words, you're getting the full benefits of an antioxidant serum using this Tiam Vitamin C serum. And I got the trick that made them name this particular serum a 24 Surprise Serum. That's because the ascorbic acid is 2%. And it also have a vitamin derivative 2%. So 22 plus 22 is 24. And that is exactly why they named it that way. That aside, this is one serum that really helped me achieve a brighter, youthful, beautiful, glowing skin. If you have seen my video on how I brightened up my face, this was the only serum I incorporated into my skincare routine. And guys, within 2 weeks of consistently using this serum, my skin became so much brighter and I could see visible results on my skin. It was actually in the 3rd week I started noticing that my dark spots were fading out. My face was beginning to get a whole lot brighter and blend with my neck and my other body. So this right here does what exactly it promises to do. It's a vitamin C serum that will help to brighten up your skin, glow your skin, even out your hyperpigmentation and discoloration, and give you a much smooth, beautiful, bright, radiant, glowing skin. If you're in search of the best vitamin C serum for skin brightening, this would definitely have to be it. I've actually used a lot of vitamin C serums out there, and I can attest to the fact that this is actually a potent vitamin C serum. And I love the texture of this particular serum. The texture is amazing. It's not like other vitamin C serums that comes in a liquidy form. This one is very, very effective. It's equally going to help diminish your fine lines and any form of aging signs you might have on your skin. Like pairing this with a good sunscreen will help to protect your skin from the sun and also help you prevent dark spots, sunburn, uneven skin tone, and the rest. So if you're suffering from a terrible hyperpigmentation or dull looking skin, then this might be the one serum you might need to add in your skincare routine. You're definitely going to see visible results on your skin. In as much as this Tiam Vitamin C 24 Surprise Serum is one of the best vitamin C serum for skin brightening, you need to ensure you use it the right way to get the best results out of it. Now, how do you use this vitamin C serum to get the best results? According to the brand and the direction for use written on the body, it states that apply evenly to the face and gently pat for better absorption. There is also a caution on the pack, and it says that for external use only, avoid contact with eyes, keep out of reach of children, discontinue use if irritation or rash appears. This product contains a high concentration of pure vitamin C and is advised to use immediately after purchase. Secondly, vitamin C is sensitive to temperature change, heat, light, and air. Make sure to store in a cool place below 25 degrees Celsius before opening, and store in a refrigerator after opening. Thirdly, we recommend mixing this product with toner or cream if your skin is sensitive. Those are the directions for use and the caution written on the body of the serum. So once you open it, it's advised you put it in a refrigerator. Personally, I love to store this in my wardrobe. That's the whole essence of leaving it in the pack it came with. That way, your vitamin C serum is not going to get oxidized or spoiled. It's still going to maintain its effectiveness. Now, according to the direction for use, they said you should apply it on your face and patting gently for full absorption. Now, they did not state you should use it morning or night. For those of you that might be asking, Judith, am I supposed to use this in the morning or at night? Well, if you're using a vitamin C serum, it's best to use it both morning and night. But if you want to know how effective a vitamin C serum is, use it in the morning in your skincare routine. Pair it with a good sunscreen and you're going to see the result. Now, for those of you with a sensitive skin, you need to know that this particular TM vitamin C serum has a potent form of vitamin C. It's not the usual vitamin C serum that you guys buy for 3,000 naira and all. This one is very, very potent. So if your skin is sensitive, it's best you pair it with a good hydrating toner and a good face cream. That way, you're going to be minimizing any form of irritations that might occur on your skin. Now, personally, when I started using this, the first day I applied it to my face, it actually felt so warm. I was glad I actually used a toner because my face is usually sensitive. I went in with my aqua toner then and then followed up with this. And once I was done massaging that in, I took a little amount of my face cream and applied it equally. The first 2 days of using it, there was actually no irritations for me. So if your skin is super sensitive, I would advise you do a patch test and pair it with a good toner and face cream to see the result. Other than that, this is the best vitamin C serum that will brighten up your skin, even out your skin tone, and clear your dark spots with consistent usage. For me, I was basically using the Tiam Vitamin C serum only in my nighttime routine because of how effective it is. This is a good brightening serum that is going to brighten up your face, even out your discolorations, clear out your uneven skin tone, and give you a bright, beautiful, glowing skin. So if you're battling with a dull looking skin, you might want to add this in your skincare routine. Now, for the price, I got this particular TM Vitamin C serum at the cost of 16,500 naira at the mall. But prices might vary depending on your location or where you're buying from. But to me, this right here is worth every kobo you spend on it. If you want a powerful vitamin C serum for skin brightening, just go cop this and you're definitely going to love it. So that is simply it on the best vitamin C serum for skin brightening. I hope today's video was very helpful. If you enjoyed watching this review, please do not forget to like, subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips, and catch you guys on my next one. Bye guys.